Hey gang, Kylie here. Welcome back to the channel. Before we get into vlog number 9, I just wanted to do a little intro here, add a little bit of context, say hello. So today's vlog is sharing a little snippet into our life when we go and visit our vacant plot of land that my partner and I recently purchased. We actually purchased it at the end of 2018. It is in Machar Township, Ontario, so 3.5 hours north of the city. So we've been camping on the land for this is our 3rd summer now. Eventually we hope to build a cabin up there. Eventually I hope to open up the land, it's 92 acres, to the arts community. So, you know, that is our goal, that is our wish, that is our hope. It's a really lovely place. I feel so incredibly connected to nature when I'm up there, and I always come back to the city feeling recharged, and it's tough, but it's worth it. This was our first trip of the season. This was the last weekend of April going into May. It was winter conditions. You'll quickly see as we get into the vlog, but yeah. It was a tough weekend for me, for sure, you know, being the first camping trip of the season and also just the harsh temperatures. So I hope you enjoy. I know I've been really enjoying this vlogging process, and yeah, I've been doing this since January now. Check out some of the other vlogs. I've been kind of documenting life here in Toronto, a little bit of traveling that I've been able to do. My most recent one was a collaboration with a friend where she taught me a new skill. She taught me how to crochet a bucket hat, so check that one out. That was a fun one. And yeah, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your mom, share it with your cousin. Don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate all of the support and encouragement for the channel, and I will be coming at you again soon with some more movement videos and some more vlogs and capturing some more adventures at our spot up north. Without further ado, enjoy the video and enjoy the rest of your day. This is how I feel about this weather right now. I guess I'll get out, but I might not film until like the next day because it's just snowing. So, wish me luck. It's 7:12 p.m. and I kind of just want to stay in here, but I'm quite hungry, so I am gonna go get some dinner. And yeah, it's cozy. I'm looking forward to sleeping here tonight for sure. Cozy as heck.
a.m. I thought it was 9 for sure. So it gets so bright and everything's just bright. It's -3 degrees right now. Did not have a good sleep. You either expose your head and get air or go under the covers and get kind of stifled. Oh, it's kind of a toss-up. Time to get up, get some coffee, start the day. Eventually. So I've gotten in the truck because it's cold. And I'm going to do my little camping beauty routine, just get cleaned up for the day. It's sunny out, so that's nice. But okay, feeling better at least. But yeah, it's warming up in here. As you saw, Evan delivered me this coffee. He knows that, like, I could just not be here in this weather. He knows. I'm just gonna stay in the truck all day, I think. It's supposed to be 7 degrees and then it's supposed to rain. So we'll see how this day goes. Just keep moving to stay warm, I guess. Like, that's all we can do. So this is our land in wintertime. I've never been able to experience this because we've never been here in the winter, except for one time we came in February. We brought our snowshoes. We were like, yeah, let's go hike around the property and then just leave after. The snow was up to here. So this is kind of a blessing, this little snowfall in late April. It's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty right now. It's insane. Such a beautiful morning too. Woo! Blessed.
Then you would like make the roller coaster so that it would just like blow up.
Good morning. We are waking up after night number 2 to a lot better conditions. No snow left, as you can see. It was all gone by yesterday afternoon at some point. Had a much better sleep, like tenfold, so that's good. Today we'll be going out on some more adventures. I think we're going to take out the kayaks and do some more hiking, some more walking, so definitely going to capture some of that. But yeah, it's about 8:30 a.m. right now. I just walked down to the lake. Just like to get out and get my legs moving, and it's just like I'm standing in the middle of the forest right now. It's the ideal conditions for doing that. It's like 5 degrees, and yeah, because it's so chilly, there aren't any bugs, and it's just nice and crisp and fresh, and I really like this time of year. Yeah, the cold the other night was not my fave, but this time of year is so good because there are no critters. Seagull. Here he comes again. That's hilarious. Buddy. Right. We are making our way around this lake, discovering new territory, finding new friends, getting dive bombed by seagulls. It is such a beautiful day. Feeling #blessed.